Hi, welcome to Avogadro 2, Getting Started. I'm Jeff Hutchison, Professor of Chemistry at the University of Pittsburgh and one of the lead developers of Avogadro. For years, we've worked to create a molecular sketchpad that's powerful enough for advanced researchers, but easy enough for students just starting out. Whether you're performing quantum calculations, biochemistry, creating new materials, or just visualizing molecules in 3D, Avogadro is designed for you. It's a free, open source tool that runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this video series, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, from building your very first molecule to creating publication quality graphics and analyzing calculations. This playlist will cover Avogadro 2, which brings major improvements over the original version. A new rendering engine offers real-time shading and depth effects, staying fast enough to handle systems with thousands or even millions of atoms. On my laptop, I just downloaded the COVID spike protein, PDB entry 6VXX. It's over 23,000 atoms. You can see that manipulating it is quick and smooth, even on my laptop with real-time shadows turned on. These videos complement the documentation on our website, where you'll also find our discussion forum for questions, suggestions, and support. In the next videos, we'll start with basics, building and editing molecules, move on to visualization, optimizing geometries and analysis, working with materials, and advanced features like scripting. Thanks for joining us. Let's get started with Avogadro 2. Hit subscribe to get each new episode and download the new version from 2avogadro.cc.